I got some boss bitches waiting at the mansion. I appreciate you guys showing up here, but
ये पूरा अमेरिकन है. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am react करने वाले हैं If Thomas the Tank Engine was dubbed. ये चैनल कैमरॉन फिलिप के से एंड हम काफी टाइम बाद वैसे कैमरॉन फिलिप के की वीडियो देख रहे हैं एंड ये फनी डब होने वाला तो ऑफ कोर्स मजा आने वाला है. क्या मतलब फनी होने वाला बेसिकली. चलो मैं काफी एक्साइटेड हूँ. कल मैंने ना अपनी ही वीडियो जो पुरानी थी डोरा द एक्सप्लोरर वो वाली देखी थी. अपनी ही वीडियो देखी फिर मैंने मतलब समझ रहे हो देखी थी एंड मुझे अच्छी लगी. क्या अपनी वीडियो मतलब जो ओरिजिनल डोरा द एक्सप्लोरर डब्ड वाली वो अच्छी लगी एंड आज हम देखने वाले हैं. चलो टैंक थॉमस द टैंक इंजन यही नाम था कि थॉमस एंड हिज फ्रेंड्स थे. ठीक है चलो देखते हैं. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो.
another day, you know the pain, always everything the same. Why does everybody always seem to like me? But
ये गाना मुझे याद है. ओके हमारा आ गया थॉमस.
Oi, bruv, why are we all getting washed today? I just had myself a clean last
ओह
week.
अच्छा हाँ सच ये ब्रिटिश है लाइक है ना. सॉरी बीच में कॉल आ गया था तो ये मुझे ब्रिटिश लग रहा है. एक्सेंट ऑफ कोर्स ब्रिटिश है बट थॉमस नाम ही ब्रिटिश है एंड आई बिलीव ये शो भी ब्रिटिश ही है तो इसलिए वो.
Don't be ridiculous, sister. We're all just getting a wash down today. I heard Spencer the locomotive is coming today.
Bro, I fucking hate Spencer. He fucked my wife.
Jesus, Reginald, did he really?
It's true. The missus came home one day with coal all over her face.
I don't know why you lot continue to have sexual relations with other trains when these humans can wash us so damn well. Oh, get a little deeper there, Trevor. Sir, please don't do this again. Scrub deeper, Trevor. Sir! Deeper!
Hello, my dear train. Today, Spencer the locomotive is bringing a very important person. Spencer is bringing the Archduke of Romania.
The Archduke?
What's an Archduke?
Yeah, what is that?
Is he going to fuck my wife too? No, he won't be doing that. Remember the new law signed in '86 after the Great Train Human Orgy.
I was a part of that orgy.
We don't speak of it! We lost too many lives that day. I lost my son. I lost my only son.
It's not my fault.
हंसना मतलब वो ऐसे zoomed in है ना वो बहुत फनी लग रहा है.
I said zip it! Don't you dare speak of my son, you murderer!
I can't wait to meet the Archduke. I can't believe he's riding in Spencer, though. Yeah, fuck that guy. Oh my God, Spencer! What is up, my train friends? Everybody's gathered here to see what a real train looks like.
ये एनिमेशन काफी लाइक
Ladies and gentlemen,
अच्छा था.
I present to you the Archduke of Romania. Shit! Wow. Yo, yeah, I'm the
Yo.
Archduke, and honestly, super stoked to be here. But I got some boss bitches waiting at the mansion. I appreciate you guys showing up here, but
ये पूरा अमेरिकन है.
I'm gonna go make some bitch arch puke, if you know. Right, well that was pretty underwhelming, wasn't it? He was beautiful though, wasn't he? Hey guys, what did I miss? Oh, this fucking guy. Oh, fuck off, Percy. Nobody wants to hang out with you. Plus, you already missed everything. And don't speak to us again, Percy. Yeah, don't speak to us again, Percy, you small little fuck. Oh, sorry, guys. I was busy collecting stray cats and returning them to their owners. Maybe we can hang out later. Or no.
Good guy.
Back it up, back it up. Oh, that never gets old.
Bag it.
See you later, Thomas, you stupid fucking train.
Oh, fuck you, bro. Trains are better than cranes any day.
Why don't you come up here and say that, Thomas? Oh, wait.
वो लग भी रहा है वो गुस्से से बोल रहे हैं.
Boy, fuck off. I hope the fucking plane hits you with no people in it. I'm not evil, bro. I just hate cranes. No, I said bitches with fat asses. Fat asses, do you get me? Oh, shit. It's Thomas the Train Engine.
Who, sir?
Thomas? Are you kidding me? It's dude the legend. Oh, shit. Yes, sir. I am on my way. Thomas? Thomas, the tank engine? Oh, yeah, hello. And who might you be, darling? I am Millie, the tank engine. I must admit I am a bit flustered to see you on these tracks. There's no need to be flustered, Millie. We're just two trains on our own tracks. Okay, Thomas, if you say so. So I must admit, for a long time I have had big crush on you, Thomas. So we have not met before. You have a crush on me?
ये वही जोक है, like ब्रिटिश वाले पूरी सेंटेंस पर सेंटेंस इंग्लिश बोलते हैं. I must admit.
Yes, this is true, Thomas. There are many nights where I picture this, and then I think of you and me on the same track together. Well, this is very flattering. It is. But I do happen to have my
like वो कैब जाला है ना.
Millie, so I feel.
ये जोक समझा गया. Yes.
Oh, this is no problem, Thomas. Of course, I will respect your relationship. However, they say what happens at the Archduke's stays at the Archduke's. Yes. I'll be off.
ये zoomed in है वो बड़े.
Yes. So long, Millie. Oh, bollocks.
I hope उसको fat bitches मिल गई होंगी. Fat मतलब like badass bitches. क्या? चलो. So guys, that was for today's video. Funny था, but और थोड़ा सा फनी होता अगर लाइक अमेरिकन एक्सेंट से, लाइक वो ये परफेक्ट नहीं करता. लाइक इसमें मेन ह्यूमर के तौर पे ब्रिटिश एक्सेंट था, तो मैं तो देखता ही मतलब यूके यूट्यूब मतलब साइड मैन किया साइड स्टफ. अभी तो पहले देखता था अमेरिकन वाले एक्सेंट पे ज्यादा फोकस किया गया था आई बिलीव, या मे बी मुझे ये इतना फनी लगता ही नहीं एक्सेंट. मतलब हाँ दूसरी चीजें फनी थी जो बीच में जोक्स थे, पर लाइक जो दूसरे वीडियोस होते हैं लाइक वो काफ़ी डार्क होते हैं, वो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. जो इसके अमेरिकन एक्सेंट वाले होते हैं, जैसे वो जो गाय आया था बैड बिचेस वाला वो काफ़ी सीखता हुई, वो बंदा लेजेंड है भी लिए. बट चलो थॉमस का एक्सेंट काफ़ी सीख था. थॉमस जो बाकी ठीक ठाक थे, थॉमस का मेन लाइक ओवरऑल ब्रो वो काफ़ी अच्छा था. Chalo, so thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.